Hey everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my April Sephora unboxing. I'm so excited to see what's inside. So if you're unfamiliar with Play by Sephora, or I think I call it Sephora Play, I use those words interchangeably. It's a $10 a month subscription service, that's through Sephora, and it's 5 products including 1 bonus item of all things that you can get online or in store. So it's really awesome to try new things. I actually really love this subscription box. So it comes with 50 extra beauty insider points when you make a purchase in store, so we save that, save those points. And what's really nice is they have this kind of pamphlet. This is called the Insta Beauty Bucket List, and it has a bunch of fun stuff to read, as well as all of the products that you got, a little bit about them, how to use them, and the cost of the full size. So let's get started. It says make it snappy. So I think this whole theme was like being Instagram ready, taking pictures. Insta Beauty is kind of what they're talking about, and it comes in these cute little bags, and again it says the cute saying, it cinches, fun stuff. And if you're new to my channel, you know I kind of use it like a grab bag. So first up we have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen in the color 08. Oh, actually it looks like it'd be a really good shade match for me. Maybe a little bit orange, but hey, I can make that work. I've not tried this. I really do like their foundation. I've used it before, but I've never tried the blurring skin tint. This I think would be really good for summer. And again, SPF 25, that's always important in the summer, anytime the sun's out. So it says it's a middle ground between a BB cream and foundation, and it contains, again, SPF of 25, blurs imperfections and moisturizes the skin, and provides enough tint for a sheer to medium coverage. Put it on clean, dry skin, and yeah, that is awesome. I'm gonna put my little flyer down here so I can read it. I'm excited to try that. Okay, next up is, can I get it out? It's the Dr. Dennis Gross Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep Ferulic acid. I'm gonna butcher. Ferulic and retinol wrinkle recovery pill. I have no idea if I said that right. And it's just a kind of a, I'm like ripping this to shoot. It's because I can't get it open. Maybe you're supposed to like slip it out, probably. Oh, and you get 2 of them. So there's 2 foil packets. And it says, achieve radiant, retextured, healthier looking skin by morning. Ooh, so this is a clinical strength peel with a high dose of retinol to fight signs of aging. So you use it after cleansing at night, massage the treatment pad over dry skin and allow to dry, follow with moisturizer, and don't forget to wear sunscreen the next day. So I love any things like a peel and something that you can wear overnight. I'm excited to try these. This is super awesome. Another great thing I've not tried before, but right up my alley as far as skincare goes. So love it. I totally mutilated that. Okay, that's 2. Oh, the Buxom. So I love Buxom lip glosses. So this is the Buxom Plump Up the Volume Full On Plumping Lip Polish. I love these. What color is it? Celeste. I don't have this color. I actually just ordered Dolly. Oh, this is some serious sparkle. And I seriously just dropped it. These are really awesome. It's a prismatic lip gloss in a soft peach shade that visually plumps lips and leaves a shiny, shimmery finish. They aren't kidding about the shimmer. You're not gonna be able to see it too much on my skin tone, but you can just see how shimmery that is. I'm gonna put some on right now. I have a matte lipstick on, so this is perfect. I kind of applied it just to the center of my lip. And I have to say, although it's incredibly sparkly, when it's on my lips, it doesn't look like glitter is coming out of my lips and just like blinding people. Ooh! And again, if you're not familiar with the Buxom lip line, it's a cooling sensation. It's minty. So I like it, and I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. And how cute is that size? Adorable, right? Okay, and then, sorry, we have the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I love this stuff. I think is this the purple one or the beige one? Oh, beige one. I actually had to just declutter this because I had this in the full size, and it had expired. I just had it in my collection for so long, so I actually just threw it away. But I really like it, and I ended up getting the purple one, which I really like. And I was kind of thinking I wish I had gotten another one of I call it the brown or the peach one, which is the backlight priming filters. So I'm excited to have a little size. I kind of feel like the big ones are hard to go through to begin with, and if you're anything like me where you have different primers, this size is really, really nice because I think you're able to go through it before it expires. So yay for that. Okay, the other thing, I feel like there's so much stuff and it's really good. This is the Kiehl, sorry. A powerful strength line reducing concentrate. It's 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And this is the, it's a fan favorite anti-wrinkle treatment full of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And you put this on clean, dry skin before applying eye cream and moisturize in the morning and night. A slight warming sensation is normal. So do you put this over, I guess, your entire face? Based on the description, I was wondering if it was an eye cream. All over the face. Okay, that's really cool. It looks like great skincare. I love skincare. And so those are my 5 deluxe size or sample size items that I got, but they always add a bonus. And most of the time it's a perfume, which to me is like, so. But this month, foil pockets, which I'm excited. It's the Verb on the Double Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. I love having kind of these. I'm going to a concert and it's gonna be a quick overnight trip next month. Instead of bringing like my travel size stuff, I can just throw this in there. This would be even good for like 2 nights. You could probably get, if you have like short hair like me, 2 nights if you needed it. But then you don't have to worry about taking anything with you. You can just throw it away at the end of your trip. I love things like that. But anyway, so that's what I got this month in April. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have not yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.